Now we'll do everything here now. First, we need a slider. So first let's add here some class. Here will be slider item, and here will be slider. I want bootstrap slider. Search here slider. For a second, not this one. Okay, I want this one. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So now we have like this. Now I want to add here this one. Let's go to started where it is. Introduction. I want this CSS. Okay. To top. I'll add here. Save it. Okay, I want CSS. Okay, this one also I want. And this one too. Okay. Now I'll add here image, so I don't need this, and I will copy from here Avenger, Witcher, Mandalorian, and Radhe. This is 4, and I will paste here, and now add here. Here I will add Avenger. Here will be Radhe. Here will be Mandalorian, and what was one more? Witcher. So let's add one more here. Here will be Witcher. So you got 4 here. So here is our movie, and you can see here is only 3 slider, so I will add one more. Where it is here, so I will copy this. Come on, where it went, and I will paste here. So I'll make 3. Here already 3. Okay, let's see, check this out. Okay, we have 4 now. Let's make this movie image a little smaller. For that, this one, copy this. Slider image. I want width will be auto, and the height will be 370 pixel. Okay, let's copy this. I want this display will be flex. I will add more item, and margin top will be 70 pixel below the header. So now, okay, and this slider I want this width will be 60% only. Okay. Okay guys, and I can add here one more thing. Margin left. Let's give this 100 pixel. Okay. Okay. Now, so you can see our this slider is working. Now